In this guided meditation, I will teach you how to open and unblock your 7 chakras. You must gain balance within yourself before you can bring balance to the world. In order to master the self, you must open all 7 chakras. Imagine the energy flowing through your body like water flowing through a creek. As you look at the water, notice how there are several pools where the water swirls around before flowing onward. These pools are like our chakras. If nothing else were around, this creek would flow pure and clear. However, life is messy and things tend to fall into the water. When that happens, the creek can't flow. But if we open the paths between the pools, the energy flows. A warning. Before we begin, opening the chakras is an intense experience. Once you begin this process, you will start feeling small shifts in your energy, your mind, and your actions. If you stop in the middle of the process or do not continue the work, you will not be able to maintain the balance you have achieved and will have to start at the beginning again. Make sure you are in an area where you will not be disturbed. Ensure your phones are turned off or set to Do Not Disturb, and that you are able to drown out the noise of society so you can concentrate fully on your inner self. Find your seat. Close your eyes. Let your hands rest where they fall naturally. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4, release for 4. Again, in, hold, release. Your mind will wander. That's not failure. That's just your mind doing what minds do. When you notice, return to the breath. No judgment, just return. Feel the weight of your body where it meets the surface beneath you. Notice it. This is your anchor. The first pool, the root chakra. We begin at the base of the spine with the root chakra. This pool deals with your survival and is blocked by fear. I want you to ask yourself, what are you most afraid of? Let your fears become clear to you now. You are concerned for your survival, but you must surrender those fears. Do not hold on to them. Visualize your fears falling into the water and letting them flow down the creek. The second pool, the sacral chakra. Next, we move to the sacral chakra, located just below the navel. This chakra deals with pleasure and is blocked by guilt. Look closely at all the guilt which burdens you. What do you blame yourself for? Accept the reality that these things happened, but do not let them cloud and poison your energy. If you are to be a positive influence on the world, you need to forgive yourself, release the guilt, and watch it wash away. The third pool, the solar plexus chakra. The third pool is the solar plexus chakra located in the stomach. This chakra deals with your real power and is blocked by shame. What are you ashamed of? What are your biggest disappointments in yourself? You will never find balance if you deny this part of your life. You are who you are. You must accept it. You are flawed, but you are unique in design. Accept your whole self so the energy can move upward. The fourth pool, the heart chakra. The fourth pool is the heart chakra, located in the center of the chest. It deals with love and is blocked by grief. Lay all your grief out in front of you. You have indeed felt a great loss, but remember that love is a form of energy, and it swirls all around us. The love for you has not left this world. It is still inside of your heart and is reborn in the form of new love. Know that you are worthy of receiving the love you deserve. Let the pain flow away into the stream. Fifth pool, the throat chakra. The fifth pool is the throat chakra, located in the throat. It deals with truth and is blocked by lies, especially the ones we tell ourselves. You cannot lie about your own nature. You must accept that you are who you are, the way you are. You are not perfect, but you are unique and rare in your own making. Accept your truth. The sixth pool, the third eye chakra. The sixth pool is the third eye chakra, located in the center of the forehead. It deals with insight and is blocked by illusion. The greatest illusion of this world is the illusion of separation. Things you think are separate and different are actually one and the same. We are all one, connected by cosmic energy, but we live as if we are divided. Even the separation of the four elements is an illusion. If you open your mind, you will see that all the elements are one, four parts of the same whole. The seventh pool, the crown chakra. This is the last chakra, located at the crown of the head. Once you open this chakra, you will have complete control and awareness of all your actions. It deals with pure cosmic energy and is blocked by earthly attachment. Meditate now on what attaches you to this world. Now let all of those attachments go. Let them flow down the river, forgotten. Learn to let go, or you cannot let the pure cosmic energy flow in from the universe. Surrender yourself. Think of your attachments and let them go. Let the pure cosmic energy flow. Stay in this flow for a moment. Feel the path from the base of your spine to the top of your head as one clear, unobstructed creek. You are balanced. You are whole. Take a breath, feel the energy flow naturally. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, let your eyes open when it feels right. Welcome back. Your chakras are now flowing as they are supposed to. Keep it that way and come back to this video anytime your energy shifts or starts to feel off balance.